In this video I will show you how to black and white photo to make color photo on Photoshop. First, copy the layer. Go to select option and click subject. Copy the selecting area. Then use the selecting tool and select body skin area. Copy the selecting area, then open a color photo. Select the skin area and move it to another photo layer. Increase the layer size accordingly skin area. Then create clipping mask. Then select color. Select the hair area. Copy the layer. Move the layer on top. Select solid color and choose a color for hair. Add the clipping mask on the layer. Then choose over layer. Make opacity down. Select eyes. Copy the eyes. Move the layer on top. Select the eye black area. Click solid color and then select a color for eyes. Then select color. Make opacity down. Then select cap. Copy the layer. Move the layer on top. Click solid color and choose a color for cap. Add clipping mask on the layer. Select color. Opacity down. Select gradient tool for background color. Select a color. Then use gradient tool. Select color option. Then opacity down. Select cloth area. Copy the layer. Move the layer on top. Click on solid color and choose a color. Create clipping mask. Select color option. Then opacity down. Select the lips area. Copy the layer. Move the layer on top. Click solid color and choose a color for lips. Create clipping mask. Then select color option. Opacity down. Create a group all layer without selecting main layer. Now you see difference in two photo. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.